Yo, baby, let me take you over here to the other side.
Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all straight? Y'all ate? Okay. It's been a minute since I bought you guys a makeup tutorial, but y'all, I'm back. I am back and I'm better than ever, and I'm bringing you guys a makeup tutorial today using the Juvia's Place The Rebels Honey Palette. But before we can even get into putting anything on our eyelids, you guys, we have to prime. And we are priming with that Juvia's Place primer. Y'all know I use this primer all the time. Any makeup look I do, I'm using this primer. And then just to set that brow bone highlight, and also to just kind of just make everything come together. I'm not too sure as to what I would call this. I do put my under eye setting powder from the Crayon case under my brow, you know, just to go ahead and make sure that concealer stays and to give me a little brightening effect under my eyebrow. And now y'all, we getting into the palette. I am taking that dark brown shade that is in this palette and I am placing it all in my crease. I'm going to place it in my crease as well as my outer V, and I am going to blend it out. Y'all, my little sister got me this palette for Christmas, and this is my second time. Yeah, this is my second time using this palette, and y'all, I am in love with it. Like, it is the perfect palette for just a regular neutral look. Like, you can just wear each of the colors that are in the palette on its own. But of course I want to do a little pizzazz or whatnot, and that is where this dark brown shade is going in the crease and in the outer V. And just because I've been feeling orange lately, y'all, and when I first did use this palette, I actually wore it to a wedding, and the dress that I had on was actually orange, and I was like, let me do a little matchy, and I'll place a picture. Will I place a picture? I'll try to remember to place a picture in the video somewhere so you guys can see how the makeup looked when I first used this palette. But yeah, y'all, I'm taking that orange shade and I'm placing it all over my lid. Okay, and y'all, I felt like I didn't place enough of the orange down, so I am going back into the palette and I'm getting some more of that orange shadow to go onto my eyelid, and I am just packing it on. When I say I'm packing that orange on, y'all, I'm packing it on. And then of course, to make a seamless transition, I am going to just take whatever is left on this brush and I am going to blend it in further, just to make sure that the brown and the orange are blended in together. And if it's one thing that y'all should know by now, is that I love me a good winged eyeliner. I love me a good winged eyeliner, so I am using the KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner to make my wing. And y'all, I have been loving this liquid eyeliner. Like, when I say it is the blackest liquid eyeliner that I have used thus far, it is the blackest liquid eyeliner that I have used thus far. And then y'all, going in with my Dollar Tree lashes and placing them on. $1.25, can't beat it. Still wish that they were $1, but you know. And y'all, I am trying out this e.l.f. what is this, Power Grip Primer, and this is my first time using a sticky primer, y'all. Like, y'all know I have oily skin, so most of the time I am using mattifying primers, or even I'm using calamine lotion, or, and I don't get me too bad, y'all, I'm using Milk of Magnesia to combat the oil. But this is my first time using a sticky primer, and like, when I say, y'all, that primer gets sticky, it gets sticky. Like, I'm still trying to figure out if I like it. Just because I don't know how I feel about it. you know, that stickiness on my face. I don't know how I feel about that, but that is what I am using today. And y'all, my face routine is basically still the same. I'm not going to talk you through this too much just because it's kind of self-explanatory, and I've done a video on my face routine, and I kind of want to do an updated video just to show you guys some of the new techniques that I have started using. So I'm going to let the music play right now as I do my face makeup. Now y'all, I'm loving the eye look matte, but I want to add a little pizzazz in the inner corners. So I'm taking the only shimmer shade that is in that palette, the shimmery gold, and I'm placing it in my tear duct. And y'all, just look at that. Look, it's like a orangey gold shimmer. It's doing it. And of course, crayon case on a roll highlighter. Y'all know that's my jam. Y'all know I use that all the time. And then we just gonna keep it simple, classic. We're gonna line our lips with this dark brown lip liner from LA Girl. And then of course we're gonna go in with a nude lip, y'all. In the nude lip, I know I'm going a little fast, but y'all, the nude lip is gonna be my favorite butter gloss from NYX, and that's in the color Praline. And this is the completed look, y'all. Say thank you for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this tribe.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me? I can stroke it.